Christmas Bird Count, 1963. Jessie Mae Smith, 1907 to 2005, known locally as the Bird Lady of Tarrant County, began her lifelong interest in birding and conservation through efforts to identify a mysterious red bird observed on a fly fishing trip with her husband. Jessie Mae was a charter member of the Fort Worth Audubon Society, 1941, and the Texas Ornithological Society, 1953. In the 1960s, she was instrumental in creating the Fort Worth Nature Center and Refuge. Author, naturalist Roy Bedichek urged Jessie Mae to write articles on birds. In 1953, she approached the Fort Worth Star-Telegram with a sample column. Her weekly Birds and Watchers column was a regular feature in the Sunday edition of the Star-Telegram for more than 21 years, running from 1953 through 1974. Although Texas birding was usually the topic of her columns, Jessie Mae discussed birds from all over the U.S., Central America, and the Caribbean. Following her death in 2005, the Jessie Mae Smith estate donated the tear sheets for her Star-Telegram columns to the UT Arlington Library. In this photograph, members of the Fort Worth Audubon Society demonstrate their bird-watching technique at Lake Como during the 1963 annual Christmas Bird Count. Left, front to back, Ann Buss, Jessie Mae Smith, and Elizabeth Derrick. Right, Ann Wallace and Bill Richardson. This episode was originally published in the Fort Worth Star-Telegram on December 30th, 2008, and is produced by the University of Texas at Arlington Library Special Collections.